Did you know? The hippopotamus is a large, semi-aquatic mammal belonging to the Hippopotamidae family and is native to sub-Saharan Africa, typically inhabiting rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps. With a weight ranging from 1,600 to 3,200 kilograms, it is the third largest living land mammal after the elephant and the white rhinoceros. An interesting fact about hippos is their unique dung-spraying behavior. They do this to mark their territory by spinning their tails like a fan while defecating, spreading their feces around so that other hippos recognize the area as theirs. What do you think?